Hello everyone, Dr. Jenna Edlund here, Lake Erie Discovery Center's behavioral specialist. The Parenting Tip Tuesday topic for the month of March is how to prevent and respond to temper tantrums. Temper tantrums, what I like to refer to as behavioral outbursts, are verbally or physically aggressive behaviors that are an extreme response to a certain situation. More often than not, persistent tantrums are learned responses that result in a desired outcome for the child. They have learned that escalating their behavior or their emotions is the most effective way for them to get what they want. There are 4 main reasons why the temper tantrums might be reoccurring, and it is helpful to figure out the function of the temper tantrums to best know which behavioral strategy to implement. Here are the 4 possible functions that might be maintaining the challenging tantrum behavior. Escaping or avoiding undesirable activities. Gaining social attention, either positive or negative. Gaining access to a desired item or activity, and access to sensory stimulation. And here are a few ways to prevent these behavioral outbursts. The first is differential attention. Provide attention for something that your child is doing appropriately and praise the behavior while removing attention for the behavioral outburst. Time in. Give them lots of positive attention for the appropriate behavior they are exhibiting and make their environment very fun and engaging. Functional communication training. If your child does not yet have a way to communicate what they need, you may need to teach them and reinforce their use of the skill. If your child would like your attention, teach them to ask for your attention. As soon as they ask, provide them the attention immediately. If your child is engaging in temper tantrums to communicate that they want to avoid an activity, teach your child to ask for a break before they engage in the non-preferred activity. Behavioral momentum. Give 2 to 3 high probability requests for behavior, followed with the more difficult request for them to complete. Give choices. Give 2 appropriate options that they could choose from to give them a sense of control and decrease tantrums. Schedule preferred activities after the non-preferred activities. This strategy helps to reinforce a child's behavior of engaging in a non-preferred activity. It also helps children to know when they will have access to their preferred activity. See the caption below to access more information on this topic, including our supplemental parent handout on ways to respond when there is a behavioral outburst. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.